Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a custom theme for your presentations on Gamma AI to use them, for example, for your presentations later. So this is how you can do it, guys. Let me guide you through it. Navigate to Gamma AI, log into your account and click into themes here on the left panel. What you want to do after that, let me just move that tab here at the top, is click into new theme here. Of course you can import a theme if you have saved it on your device. Let me create a new one. And now let me click into build a theme here or into continue. And here guys, you can start creating and customizing your theme. So what you want to do is click into customize here and start with the theme palette. For example, the primary accent color, click into that color button here. Let me go with that pink color here. You can also enter the hex code for the color here if you like. You can use solid colors, graded colors. For example, if you'd like to use a gradient, what you need to do is click into one of these circles. For example, that circle here represents that pink color and the other one will represent the other color of the gradient. So let me go with green, select that one, and as you can see now it is a gradient. You may select also the angle below. And that's it. So what you want to do next, guys, is simply go through these buttons here. You may select a secondary accent color. It is optional, so let me add one and go with another gradient and go with that combination here, and so on and so forth. Then you may also add a color for your text for the heading, for example, by clicking into this button. You already know how it works. So you may, for example, apply the color palette used for the primary accent color, but you can create also a new one. Let me go with this one here from the primary accent and do also for the items or the body color, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how it works with the colors. And then you may also select the color for the background, click into that button here, and yeah, you will see the preview here to the right. So that's how it would look like with these buttons, the primary accent, the background color, for the heading, and that's it. You may also customize your page background. For example, you may upload an image as your page background, or use the AI image generator for that, or use a color. Let me go with gradient as well again, and go with this one here for demonstration purposes. And that's it. Now then we head over to the fonts. Here at the bottom, you may, once you have finished creating or customizing colors, click into fonts, click into customize, and start customizing your font. For example, you may select the font here, and also for the heading, and select, I will go with this one here for the heading. For the body, I will go with the same one, and you will see these changes here to the right. If you don't like a setup, guys, or a setting, simply click into that reset to default button to return to the factory settings. And that's it. So let us move now to the next section of the theme, which is design. And again, click into customize, but you can also go with this option. I will go with customize. And yeah, customize these settings for cards or slides, for blocks and text boxes, content, buttons. So guys, you could go through all of these. Let me speed it up a bit, because otherwise this video will take too long. So simply go through all of that and customize each of these shapes, the colors, the alignment. You may also add an accent image shape, the card transparency, and once that's done, navigate to the next tab, and you may, for instance, upload a logo for this theme, for example, if you're using it for a specific presentation or project. And once you're ready, guys, close your customizing by clicking into the theme name, give it a name, like, for example, my custom theme 1, and that's it. Click into finish to save it, and that is going to save your custom theme so that you may now use it for your presentations. by clicking into, let me find it really quickly here, theme, and simply select your customize from that list below. It may be necessary to refresh the page if you don't see it here, guys. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.